So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a single crochet. A single crochet is often abbreviated by SC, which is just easier to type out in a pattern SC rather than the whole word single crochet. A single crochet is a very beginner and needed stitch when working with any pattern that you're making. A lot of patterns often call for single crochets, so it's a good stitch to learn and perfect. So I'm going to wrap my yarn around my fingers like I showed you in the last video, and then we are going to be working into the second chain from the hook. So this is chain 1, this will be chain 2. Hold it up so you can see it a little bit better. This is chain 1. This is going to be chain 2 right here. So I'm going to only be going through the top side of these chains. So this top loop right there. So I'm going to take my hook, insert it through this top part of the chain, and I'll have 2 loops on my hook. Now I'm going to yarn over, pull through that first one, so I still have 2, then yarn over and pull through both of those loops on my hook. Now we're going to work into the next chain, which is going to be this one right here. So I'm going to push my hook through the top loop of that chain, yarn over, pull through. It'll look like this. Then yarn over, pull through both. Then I'll do that again. We're going to be this chain now. So hook through the top, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both. Next one, push my hook through, yarn over, pull through, and then pull through both. That'll give us a nice row of single crochets. You can see you did it properly because you got these nice V shapes on the top right there.